Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we'll be testing open computers on my custom Emerald TNT adventure client. You can download it online from GitHub/JosephWorks, so you can see, and then /MC Emerald TNT. When you get in here, go to releases, and it should have like a file called Emerald TNT Adventure or something along those lines. Click on it and it will download. So that's how you install OPPM, or that's how you install the mod pack that I'm using. And this is my server, so it's okay. Creatix is, all you have to do is go in creative, get Creatix, which is like computer pre-built or something like that. Creatix, create, as in creative. So that's why it's called that. So first, so this is gonna be our doggo. He's our doggo. So here is the computer. As you can see, when you turn on, it's not gonna do anything. Oh, it already has operating system. So after we do this, we're gonna do install. Enter install OpenLS. It's gonna copy over the files. This may lag a little. It's quite a decent amount of commands. TTY. And most of the code is written in Lua format. And then you want to reboot. So now after we do get into here, we're gonna just do ls. Okay, we don't have to do that. So after just clear. I keep on treating this like an actual Linux terminal, which it kind of is, but you have to install this stuff manually. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the OPPM package manager and put it in this slot right here. And then we're going to do cd/mnt. Actually, before we do that, we're going to go in this directory. So you can see, then do ls. Then you can see we have that. Now we put it in, do ls again, and it tells us, okay, what selection has been added. 53D, that's still there, that's still there, that's still there. So 146 is new. So the new number we're going to do, CV146. Then we're going to do this command, just make sure those files are there, then do the following. I think it stands for open. Yeah, it's package manager. PM stands for package manager. I don't know what OP stands for. Besides overpowered. So then just wait for it to install. Also, feel free to also install the OpenIRC. So now we don't need this anymore. To test if it worked, do OPPM, and that should come up something like that. So then we're going to take our OpenIRC and put that in. We're going to just install it. It's not necessary. I'm assuming it's 323, and if it is, I've patterned. Okay, it is. If you put in a disk, it's going to be all numbers. That's for my current situation. I'm not certain if it is for your guys's. but ls, we could see 323 cd 323. Install install IRC. We're going to type yes. There it is. Now IRC. And then we're going to find the spigot IRC. Channels. Anything would work. I'm just trying to get the thing. irc.spi.gt. There it is. Hi. Now let's go on the in order to just test it, I guess. Let's join Emerald TNT. Whatever. Oh, we have to connect to hashtag spigot. I think it's hashtag. And I just want to show proof of work, because this is really cool. The guy quit. And then you can see that he quit here too. So the IRC client, I am happy to say, is fully functional. And you can see the Imgur link that I uploaded. He's welcoming the guy that quit. Let's see their reaction. Now we sit and wait. And you could just create another create text. In our case, we're gonna just go like just say bye and disconnect in a little. So you can see that chat Emerlad TNT is here. As you can see, that's the conversation we had. And ow, I use Phoenix Quest. So Control C always executes out exits the application. As you can see, it's over. So clear. So that's the IRC in Minecraft, modded Minecraft actually. So, but basically in Minecraft. So now the next thing, OPPM. So we're gonna do first thing we get OPPM update all, updating everything. Let's get some screens. Might as well. Never mind. So this is an example. This is the actual thing. Open program, Samus programs. You can install a DNS server. Why would you want to do that? But at the same time, cool. OPPM list. Okay. So when you go OPPM, do OPPM install or update OPPM list, and you can see the programs. Changes programs. I can't see the programs anymore. So there's Plank 9. Gonna find something that catches my attention. I can't believe this is actual package manager. Oh nice, you can install databases. I wonder what database it is. It's working. Python. So we're going to install PSH Python. Song. Let's get. Can we do like multiple? We can. Let's look at this. That's OP. I can't believe you can actually do that. Oh, you get freeze time. That's cool. I didn't even know my own mod pack had that feature. Oh, no, you can only install one thing at a time. So let's do Python. OPPM install Python. That should, okay. Installing package to user. That's good. If I could actually run Python, that would be like. Anyways, installing files is actually working. Are you kidding me? Close. Yep, it works. Python Lua. But we have to install XP call. I'm gonna test something. I think that. Yep. It's better font. It's unfortunate that you can't like connect the cable. Pretty certain that finally. That's cool. So I could literally probably do a day of my life in this specific terminal. Wait, I'm gonna do package list 2. Does that work? I'm really nervous. I want this to work. If this works, then that's cool. I think that the system just crashed though. So you could just turn it off. Turn back on. Starts up. OPPM OS. So these are added repositories already. I'm going to open a note, sticky notes, and I'm going to put the packages I want into here. Camera. Emulator, definitely. Cowsite. So they actually have some Linux commands. Fortune. Yes. GML. Wow, I already have a pretty long list. We don't need libs, really. Lib HTTP, though, just in case. And Lisp. If we can get Java on this, that would be OP. Multi-boot. Nano. By the way, Nano's a text editor. Nothing wrong. Probably PID. And blank 9. Freak. That's my bad. We're gonna have to go back in. So the last page we saw had Plank 9 on it. It's good that we know that. If they had chroot, that would be OP. So what this is kind of based off is like a Linux terminal. That is like apt. You have apt install. You also have apt update. Just it doesn't have sudo, which is kind of sad. So that's an example of Linux update. That's an example of this update. So we're on this page. SSH, that's cool. If I can actually SSH into my Minecraft client server, that would be like OP. Print 3D, so you can 3D print to probably to a real printer. Wouldn't be surprised. There's the Python stuff. smap song. I'm gonna try and install synth again. Oh, they have tar. That's used for unzipping files. Whatever V is, we'll install it. Telnet. Okay, we're doing Telnet next. Can't believe it. So much. Okay, so we're definitely installing Telnet. And try something. Oh. Okay, so that works. And basically says echo this command and this command. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna do space. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it. And we're gonna it turns each one of these from a package into an install command package. So still go ppm to install this package. And then, oh wow, we have a lot. So I'll go through some. Nano text editor multi-bit allows you to use multiple operating systems. MIDI is like sound, like pianos use MIDI, I think. Lisp, I don't know. I've heard it before. LibHTTP means like HTTP is in websites, so maybe it allows you to use websites. Gist allows you to upload code online and other developers can see it and comment. Fortune teller, I'm assuming. Fget is like wget, wget, stores files from the internet. Cowsay, has a cow with a text bubble, and whatever you say, like cow say hi, it have a text bubble saying hi. So now that we now that we added OPPM install, we're gonna go back space and space, back space and space, back space and space, back space and so you get the pattern. I better be able to copy this in. If I'm not able to, I'm gonna be really mad. Back space and in. So it's kind of like a long process, but at the end it saves a lot of time. And this adding and automates the whole entire script. Now this is my way of doing it. You could just copy them into a file and execute the file with like init file name, and it will run the file. I'm not certain if that works though. I'm just assuming that's how it works. So now you see we have like this cluster code. Now we're going to just paste it in, and we can't. So we're going to create a new guest. We're going to paste it in here, create public guest. So now we have to, now that we did that, we can remove this. Delete Minecraft. So, OPPM. So now we're installing guest, as you can see. Test the command, guest. Here it is. So we're gonna wget. Actually, we didn't need to install guest. We're gonna click on raw here, make sure it shows up like this. we're going to copy this link. And then we're going to paste. And if we can't paste, this is what I feared. We're going to have to type it in manually. This is going to be a pain. It's better than typing in all of that, though. Project. Wait, is there like a... Oh. Here's an embed. And it's JavaScript. Yeah, we're gonna have to just type in this raw link. Job user. Okay, we're almost done. We're more than halfway done. It's a good thing it's all lowercase. Okay, we're almost. Yep. Okay, never hurts to ask the community. Oh, it's ls dot. So this operating system is decently hard to use. I really don't recommend to use it as your main operating system. In fact, that's not possible because you need Java. No! Freak, the command got erased. So we're gonna have to just download it one by one. That's great. Let's try that. Here it is. So you could actually start up like a ROM. That's really cool. Let's try cow setting. So now you can debug a file. Nice. Or debug to a file. I don't know. Oh, connected to a website, but that website probably no longer exists. So fget is, yeah, I think it's a like wget, get. Yeah, parse URL. It just doesn't work. So you can code your own code on GitHub and put it in here. What's my fortune? That's my fortune. Same thing. It's always that. Same thing. Oh, we installed guest already. What was it again? GMO. That'd be really nice if we can get like the whole desktop interface. Not like GNOME exactly, that's too much. Something smaller. So GML is nothing. HPM. It's working. The wolf is pushing because it's dying, I'm assuming. Oh. Did it die? Oh, one more life left. What if I feed it bone? Dog bone. That didn't work. It's probably gonna die. That was an accident. Dog. We don't want our dog to die, so let's give him food. Super treat. Hey, get over here. Treat. Nope, still can't. Treat bag. Okay, let's make it look like before he dies. At least he will die a lit dog now. Here it is. That's cool. So now our dog's not gonna die. I thought he's gonna have to die a lit dog. So whatever the fortune teller thing was, did not work. Now to try HPM. XP call again. Dramatic music plays in the background. No, not HPM. Yeah. Installing dependencies. Even more? Even more? Wow. Decoder. That's cool. Now must allow me to connect to HTTPS. Let's only do like a few more. Yep. Okay, fine. Okay. I'm recording. I will finish in a second. Give me 5 minutes.
You will be recording till tomorrow morning. Get up. I can't have you say 5 minutes, 2 minutes.
So you can play MIDI files. That's really cool. So you can do almost unlimited things with this bot. Because it can do Python. And it can do, what is that language called again? Yeah, it could do Python and Lua. And with those two languages, you could do a lot. In Python, you can do JavaScript, stuff like that. So there's really, I wouldn't say infinite possibilities, because I'm not certain. You can still do a lot, though. When you're done, just click the power button, conserve power, unless you have a creative device, and you can leave it on. But it does conserve CPU usage. So right now I'm running, it's using 45% CPU on this Minecraft. I started up, and now it's using 47, 50, 53. So there's a max of 8% increase for me, and I have a pretty good processor. Here's a performance chart without width. And there's the client. So there it is. Buy data. You should not break your computer. But if you do, it saves your data. And you could just place it down again. Start. Guest to make sure it's ours. I installed guest, so that means it works. So now good night, Grandma. Now we leave and delete the world. But in the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you in the next episode. If you like most of my videos, feel free to donate at paypal.me/emeraldtnt. So we're gonna go in here. New world, which one's today? 7/8. Delete. Did I just click play instead of delete? I have a better solution. Okay, I will see you in the next episode. Bye. Bye. I keep on doing. Okay. I would keep this open source, but it doesn't work for all I know. So, otherwise, if you need help, go to oc.cli.li or just ask me on GitHub. I might be able to help. These all finished. Okay. See you in the next. Bye.